Welcome to our channel. Sending USDT to Binance requires selecting the correct network to ensure your funds arrive safely and with minimal fees. Here's the complete process. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot to access your deposit options. Step 2. Click on Deposit and search for USDT in the cryptocurrency list. Binance will display multiple network options for depositing USDT. Step 3. Choose the appropriate network based on where you're sending from and fee considerations. Common options include TRC20, Tron for lowest fees, ERC20, Ethereum for maximum compatibility, or BEP20, BSC for a balance of both. Step 4. Copy the deposit address shown for your selected network. Pay careful attention to the network name, as using the wrong network will result in permanent loss of funds. Step 5. Open the wallet or exchange where your USDT is currently stored. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw function and select USDT. Step 6. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Crucially, verify that the network type matches exactly what you selected in Binance. Step 7. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Review the network fee and ensure you understand the total cost of the transaction. Step 8. Confirm all details and complete the transaction. Use the transaction ID to track progress and check your Binance wallet once the required network confirmations are completed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.